Hey everyone, I'm Brianna with WTI, and this is the Pet House by Jiupety. Really, it's a pet cottage.
Although it is soft, it still is structured, so it does stay in place and it stays in its little cottage shape. And it has a removable pillow cushion inside, so you can even take off this outer lining and wash it. And I just keep a puppy pad also inside underneath this in case my pet decides to pee. It's just super easy to clean up. You can also take the roof off, so when it comes in the mail, everything will be vacuum packed and then you just need to zip the roof on. But if you want to have your house open for some reason, you can also do that. You can just zip this right off and have an open house. But you can see it's nicely structured, and I love this velvety material that it's made of. Everything is super soft. So you can see there is the inside. It's really big, so it can definitely fit a rabbit, a cat, a small or medium dog, no problem. And it's just super cute. I love the details. I was really looking for something that would kind of add to the decor in my house instead of take away from it and have just a big ugly house. This is the prettiest pet house I've ever seen.
So if you're looking for a comfy and cozy house for your pet, and also something that's going to be cute and you don't mind leaving it out in your living room or in your bedroom, then I highly recommend this one by Jiupety. It's really cute. I just love the vintage style. And most of all, my bunny loves it too. So it's a win for us, but that's just our point of view.